Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are good. Today we are going to do our first essay. The topic is my best teacher. Firstly, before starting the letter, let me recall you that we have completed our 3 chapters of the book, 2 letters, 2 stories and 2 applications. Now we are going to venture towards essay writing. As you know that essay is a description about a topic. So today's topic is my best teacher. I have written this essay for you. You can add the points according to your choice, and if you find any word that is difficult, you can change it, but try to learn the new words. They are not difficult, they are new for you. When you will learn them with their meanings, it will be easier for you to understand and then learn it properly, as well as it will enhance your vocabulary and you will be able to write more things in your own writing. So firstly, I have written the a quotation in bold words, in colored. Teachers are the ones who can pull out individuals from the darkness of ignorance into the light of knowledge. उस्ताद वो होते हैं जो कि अफराद को अफराद को निकाल सकते हैं फ्रॉम द डार्कनेस, पुल आउट बाहर निकाल सकते हैं फ्रॉम द डार्कनेस, अंधेरे से, तारीकी से, ऑफ इग्नोरेंस, जहालत की, इनटू द लाइट ऑफ नॉलेज, इल्म की रोशनी में. सो दिस वाज योर कोटेशन. नाउ विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. Someone righteously told that teachers are the ones who plant the seeds of fundamental knowledge and sprinkle them with profound love and patiently nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's dream. Teachers are the one. उस्ताद वो होते हैं who plant the seeds of fundamental knowledge, जो कि प्लांट करते हैं, बोते हैं, सीड्स, बीज और फंडामेंटल नॉलेज, बुनियादी इल्म का, एंड स्प्रिंकल दैम, और उनको फैला देते हैं, विद प्रोफाउंड लव, गहरी मोहब्बत के साथ, एंड पेशेंटली, और सब्र के साथ, नर्चर, देखते हैं, दियर ग्रोथ, उसकी नशोनुमा को, टू प्रोड्यूस, पैदा करने के लिए, टुमारोज़ ड्रीम्स, आने वाले दिन के ख्वाबों को. द टीचर्स इम्पार्ट नॉलेज टू अस, उस्ताद हमें इल्म देते हैं, एंड ऑल्सो टीच अस, और हमें सिखाते हैं, द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ हैविंग मॉरल वैल्यूज़, इखलाकी रवायात की अहमियत को. दे आर मेंटर्स एंड गाइड्स, वो हमारे रहनुमा होते हैं, हमारे सिखाने वाले होते हैं, हमारे रहबर होते हैं, मेंटर्स, रहबर, गाइड्स, रहनुमा, who help us to make crucial decisions about our professional field and also help us in our lives in general. who, जो मदद देते हैं, to make, बनाने में, crucial decisions, अहम फैसले, about our professional field, हमारी पेशा वराना शोबे में, and also, और हमें मदद करते हैं हमारी आम ज़िंदगी में. So this was the paragraph which I have read for you. Someone rightly told that teachers are the ones who plant the seeds of fundamental knowledge and sprinkle them with profound love and patiently nurture their growth to produce tomorrow's dream. किसी ने क्या खूब कहा है कि उस्ताद वो होते हैं जो कि बीज बोते हैं, प्लांट बोते हैं या लगाते हैं, सीड्स, बीजों को, फंडामेंट नॉलेज, बुनियादी इल्म के, एंड स्प्रिंकल होता है फैला देना, देम, उन्हें फैला देते हैं, विद प्रोफाउंड लव, गहरी हकीकत के साथ, देन पेशेंटली, और सब्र के साथ, नर्चर, देखते हैं, नशोनुमा होते हुए, दियर ग्रोथ, उसकी ग्रोथ की, उसकी नशोनुमा होते देखते हैं, टू प्रोड्यूस, पैदा करने के लिए, टुमारोज़ ड्रीम्स, आने वाले ख्वाबों को, कल के ख्वाब, जो आने वाले दिन के ख्वाब होते हैं. द टीचर्स इम्पार्ट नॉलेज टू अस एंड ऑल्सो टीच अस द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ हैविंग मॉरल वैल्यूज़. उस्ताद हमें इल्म सिखाते हैं और ये भी सिखाते हैं कि इखलाकी इक़दार की क्या अहमियत होती है. दे आर मेंटर्स, वो रहबर होते हैं, एंड गाइड्स, रहनुमा होते हैं, हु हेल्प अस टू मेक क्रूशल डिसीजंस, जो कि हमें मदद देते हैं अहम क्रूशल, अहम डिसीजंस فیصلے لینے میں, اباؤٹ آر پروفیشنل فیلڈ ہماری پیشہ ورانہ شعبے کے لیے, اینڈ آلسو ہیلپ اس ان آر لائفز ان جنرل اور ہمیں عام زندگی میں بھی مدد دیتے ہیں. ناؤ وی ول موو ٹورڈ دا نیکسٹ پیراگراف. Who is a teacher? A teacher is a mentor, a role model, a guide and a friend we all need in our daily lives. ایک ٹیچر راہبر ہوتا ہے, رول ماڈل ہوتا ہے جسے ہم آئیڈیلائز کرتے ہیں, a guide رہنما ہوتا ہے, a friend دوست ہوتا ہے, and we all need in our daily lives جس کی ہمیں روزمرہ زندگی میں ضرورت ہوتی ہے. He is the one to instill amongst the student the values of learning and becoming a better individual in life. He is the one وہ ایک ہوتا ہے to instill جو پیدا کرتا ہے, بتاتا ہے among the student کو the values اقدار of learning سیکھنے کی, and becoming a better individual in life اور ایک اچھا فرد بننے کی, زندگی میں ایک اچھا فرد بننے کی. So this is the first part of your letter. Now we will move towards the second page or next paragraph. Now this discussion is in general about your teacher. I study at Divisional Public School and College Faisalabad. My favorite teacher is, you can add up the name of your teacher. She is teaching us, you can add up the subject. I have written this essay in general. I have not specified the subject of your teacher. You can add the subject and any description which your teacher is teaching you. Means if your teacher, your favorite teacher is your math teacher, you can tell how your teacher teaches you math and how it has been helpful to learn other subjects. Suppose if it's your Pakistan studies teacher, or if it's Urdu or English teacher, you can add up the specialities of your teacher according to his or her subject. It's not necessary that your teacher must be she. If any male teacher is teaching you and he is your favorite teacher, you can add up that he instead of this she, he is teaching us this, he is a sweet person who is kind and loving to all the students. Okay, so I would read the next line for you. My favorite teacher is, my favorite teacher is name. She is teaching us. She is a sweet person who is kind and loving to all students. She is not only jovial and kind but also strict whenever needed. کیوں ہوتا ہے ٹیچر آپ کا جوویل؟ مطلب فنی ہوتا ہے, اکارڈنگ ٹو دا سچویشن وہ آپ کے ساتھ فن کرتا ہے, ہنستا کھیلتا ہے, بٹ از آلسو اسٹرکٹ. لیکن اسٹرکٹ کیوں ہونا پڑتا ہے ٹیچر کو؟ بیکاز اٹ از دا نیڈ آف دی آر. اگر آپ کا ٹیچر بہت زیادہ کائنڈ ہوگا اور وہ آپ پہ تھوڑا اسٹرکٹ نہیں ہوگا تو ڈیفینیٹلی آپ کو لرننگ کرنے میں مشکل ہوگی. آپ ایزی لیں گے, آپ کہیں گے نہیں ٹھیک ہے ٹیچر نے کون سا کچھ کہنا ہے, ہم نہیں پڑھتے. تو دیٹس وائی when we say that teacher is kind and loving to all students, jovial, kind, but also strict whenever needed. She is well educated and knows a lot about the subject. She also knows so many news and facts in the world, so that she tells us all those current affairs to improve our general knowledge. She has taught us so many things in the classroom. I have learned to be disciplined and punctual for the class. She used to give us so many projects which helped us to improve in our subject knowledge. She uses easy and appropriate ways to teach us good things. She also gives us practical exercise and moral lesson during the classroom. She guides us through our difficult times and encourages when we are down. We enjoy attending her class. She also guides us during various school competition and let us know our real talents. So this was discussion about your teacher in general. You can add up the points according to your choice. You can write down she belongs to a noble family, she lives in my neighborhood, I know her from my childhood, this and that. Now we will move towards the last page of your essay. She is always smiling kindly to the students. Her friendly approach is very much liked by everyone in the class. She teaches her very well and makes us understand the subject with fun learning. She is always smiling, kind to the student. Her friendly approach is very much liked by everyone in the class. She teaches very well and makes you understand the subject with fun learning. We are more involved in her class than any other subject classes. There is a lot of fun during her classes. She is also patient and is going when we are naughty in the class. She is also patient and easygoing when we are naughty in the class. She is very enthusiastic to teach and clears all our doubts whenever we ask questions in classes. Enthusiastic पुरजोश होती हैं, इस वर्ड का मीनिंग क्या है, पुरजोश. एंड क्लियर्स ऑल आवर डाउट्स, और हमारे तमाम जो शकूक हैं उनको दूर कर देती हैं. व्हेन एवर वी आस्क क्वेश्चन इन हर क्लासेस, जब भी हम उनकी क्लास में उनकी जमात में सवालात पूछते हैं. शी डज़ नॉट स्कोल्ड और बीट अस इन द क्लास, ना वो हमें डांटती हैं और ना ही मारती हैं अननेसेसरीली बिला वजह. बट व्हेन वी डू रॉन्ग शी डिसिप्लिन्स अस एंड टीचेस अस गुड बिहेवियर. लेकिन जब हम गलत करते हैं तो वो हमें नज़्म ज़ब्त सिखाती हैं एंड हमें अच्छा सलूक करना या अच्छा रवैया बर्ताव सिखाती हैं. शी इज़ वेरी केयरिंग टूवर्ड्स हर वीक स्टूडेंट्स एंड हेल्प्स देम इन दियर स्टडीज़ इवन आफ्टर क्लास आवर्स. वो अपने कमज़ोर तालिब इल्म, वीक स्टूडेंट्स यानी कि जो पढ़ने में कमज़ोर होते हैं, उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फ़िक्रमंद रहती हैं. एंड हेल्प देम, और उनकी मदद करती हैं इन दी स्टडीज़, उनकी पढ़ाई में, इवन आफ्टर क्लास आवर्स, स्कूल के औकात ख़त्म होने के बाद. आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर हैविंग सच अ टीचर इन माई लाइफ. मैं बहुत शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ कि मेरी ज़िंदगी में एक ऐसी उस्ताद मौजूद हैं. नाउ माई डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज द एसे विच आई हैव रिटन फॉर यू. I have already told you in the starting of your lecture that you can add up the sentences of your own choice. You can add up easy and simple sentences. It's not a very tough essay, it's quite easy. But again I would say, if you want to add up something, you can add into it, and it's not necessary to learn the whole essay in one sitting. I will send you the PDF file of this essay as well. You will write down the whole essay on your neat copy. While you are writing, you can add up your points, you can add the sentences of your own choice, or you can add up those sentences which you have learned in your previous class. So this is not all. You can add up, you can write by yourself. You may take these points as hints and convert them into your sentences of your own, and then write down the essay again. So this is one of the essay my best teacher and my best friend. The sentences are sometimes common, but this essay is specifically for a teacher. And if you find any difficulty, you can consult it with your elder ones, and the best way to learn the essay is to put it in the parts, put it in the three parts. Put it as introduction, then introduction of your teacher, introduction of teachers generally, then specifically you will introduce your teacher, then what subject she teaches, then methods of teaching, and then her attributes, characteristics or qualities of your teacher. At the end you can sum up with some lines of your own choice. So this was all about today. Now what you are going to do, I am telling you again that you are going to write down the essay on your neat copy with today's date and day, and then you will learn it in 2 days, or in you may say in 3 days, because you are not having too much homework nowadays. Almost 2 to 3 subjects in a day, so you should try to learn it in maximum 2 days, because your lecture of English comes on Monday and Wednesday. So today is Monday, so what you need to do, you need to learn this essay, half essay today and half on Tuesday, so that you are ready for your next lesson of Wednesday. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take best care of yourself, and don't forget to write and learn the essay. You can learn the essay of your own choice, but if you will take some hints, it will be helpful for you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.